Welcome to Injective Ecosystem News Roundup. Here are the top stories in Injective in the first half of July. An exciting week for the Injective community as Injective Ecosystem gets time-based token swaps integrated with the Iotex, Dojoswap 2.0, and more. Your one-stop newsletter covering new dApps, tech updates, milestones, events, airdrops, and a bunch of other updates in this episode. And now, for today's top stories. Injective growth. Injective leads in the number of transactions in the past 30 days on the IBC protocol. Injective leads the monthly dev activity among the Cosmos ecosystem. A Streamswap proposal passes, paving the way for time-based token swaps on Injective Hub. The Injective Hub community has successfully passed proposal number 413, allowing for the deployment of Streamswap smart contracts, which introduce time-based token swap to the ecosystem. Streamswap is built on CosmOS with Rust and introduces time-based token swaps, a novel approach to liquidity and price discovery. This technology has already been successfully implemented in various ecosystems, including Osmosis, where it supported projects like Omniflix, Gitopia, and Nolus protocol. Injective integrates with Iotex. Injective has announced an integration with Iotex, an OG blockchain project focusing on the Internet of Things, or IoT. This integration facilitates seamless transfer of Iotex assets to Injective, unlocking new possibilities for decentralized applications, or dApps, and use cases within the Injective ecosystem. Integration brings seamless asset transfer, new dependent applications on Injective, and enhanced IoT ecosystem. Iotex or Iotex now listed on the Helix spot market. Helix, the premier on-chain crypto exchange built on Injective, has announced a listing of Iotex on its platform. This new spot market for Iotex/INJ is now live, enabling users to trade Iotex with market and limit orders. This marks a significant milestone for both Iotex and Helix as they continue to expand their ecosystems. Helix is the first platform within the Cosmos ecosystem to support the Iotex/INJ spot market, offering marker fee rebates and new ways to earn with every trade. Unveiling Dojoswap 2.0, a new chapter for the ecosystem. Dojoswap, the innovative DEX on Injective, has announced the launch of Dojoswap 2.0. This new phase aims to primarily address community concerns, enhance ecosystem growth, and substantially enhance functionality. Since inception, Dojoswap has facilitated over $10 million in launchpad raises and 12 airdrops. However, recent market challenges have prompted the platform to pivot towards a more sustainable and dynamic trading environment for its users. The Injective Builder House 2024 has been a tremendous success. The event, which brought together some of the brightest minds in the blockchain and decentralized finance, or DeFi space, showcased cutting-edge innovations, insightful keynotes, and vibrant networking opportunities. The first ever Injective Builder House. The inaugural Injective Builder House event in Brussels during ETHCC marked a significant milestone for the Injective community. This full-day event took place in an industrial building by the Canal de Bruxelles and attracted industry leaders, developers, and community members. The stunning industrial venue with floor-to-ceiling windows created an energetic and bright atmosphere. This event was brightened even further by exclusive Injective merchandise and a selection of suites for attendees. On the main stage were panels and talks that provided insights into the Injective ecosystem. On the workshop side, the hands-on sessions for developers to engage directly with experts yielded massive results. Key sessions. Opening ceremony. Eric Chen, CEO and co-founder of Injective Labs, discussed Injective's unique position as a blockchain for finance, hiding its growth in transactions and staked INJ. Smart contracts. Marcus Was, core engineer at Injective Labs, detailed Injective's WebAssembly-based framework for smart contracts. Creating long-term value. Industry leaders from Warhol Foundation, Solana, Pyth, and Injective Labs shared insights on achieving sustainable growth in the blockchain space. Scaling institutional capital. Panelists from Selene Capital, Key Rock Trading, and IMC Trading discussed the mechanics of institutional capital inflow into crypto. RWAs. Experts from Galaxy Digital, Mountain Protocol, Ondo Finance, and RWA.xyz discuss advances in real-world assets, or RWAs, and their integration with blockchain. Novel primitives. Panelists from Noble, Babylon, and Xian explored new blockchain primitives and their challenges. Web3, Ventures and Funding. A panel featuring members from Pantera, Hash, and Protagonist offered insights on transforming ideas into viable projects and securing funding. Workshops, Injective Developer Toolkit. Ivan Angelovsky provided technical walkthroughs on launching dApps and interacting with APIs. Securing roll-up interoperability. Jörg Roseforth from Hyperlane discussed permissionless interoperability capabilities. Indexing injective data, and Raul Alvarez from The Graph led a tutorial on extracting data using the Graph node. Building a tech titan. David Jaw started strategies for scaling a product's tech stack. Bridging traditional finance. Bogan Angelovsky offered insights on leveraging Injective's technology for traditional finance. Leveraging real-time data. Aditya Arora from pyth Data discussed integrating real-time data into DeFi applications. Building a dApp with network effects. Andy Stant from TimeWorks explained how network effects strengthen a product's value proposition. The event concluded with a celebratory party featuring CEO Eric Chen as the DJ. The success of the first Injective Builder House sets the stage for future impactful events celebrating community, learning, and innovation. Mission accomplished, Cyber Ninjas. Thanks for joining me on this high-octane adventure through the cutting edge of blockchain technology. If you enjoyed decrypting the Injective crypto secrets with us, don't forget to hit that like button and see if we can hit it to 100 likes. Drop a comment below with your stealthiest insights or what you want us to cover next. And subscribe to stay razor sharp with all our future updates. Until next time, keep your wits sharp and your codes encrypted. Ninjas out.